Hello dear readers. My name is Pranshi Desai. I live in Pune. I study in Devi Patil International School. I am currently in 7th grade. I am in Navsari to read these beautiful and interesting sets of books. And today I will be giving a short review on wonderful author Sudha Murthy, who wrote this book, The Upside Down King. Let me tell you that this library is full of different variations of books, and there are many authors such as Enid Blyton, Ruskin Bond, Sudha Murthy, etc. Now, Sudha Murthy is a wonderful author because she received many rewards and awards such as the Padma Shri Award in 2006, the Atimabe Award for Excellence in Kannada Literature by the Government of Karnataka in 2011, and recently she received the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2018, which is recently she received. As we know, we always see on news, and this was because she had written many English stories and many small stories. Now let's see this review because it is full of interesting turns between it. Because this story is full of stories which are based on Ram and Krishna, and there are many stories that are not known by the common people. Such as we know that in Mahabharata, Karna took the Duryodhana's side, but why? That we don't know. So if you read this book, you will know. Now let's start with different story. So let me tell you one most interesting story, and others are waiting for you. So please start reading. Now let's start with the quick summary. So the first one is based on the title itself, the Upside Down King. So basically the king wanted to go to the heaven in his own mortal body. He did not want to part his body because he wanted to ensure that his kingdom was safe. So he told his Guruji, but his Guruji denied that it cannot happen. So one day when wandering in the forest, he met another sage who was great enemy of Guruji. So he told the sage his wish, and the sage quickly agreed to take the chance to prove his great enemy, which was the king's Guruji, to prove him wrong. So one day he took all his powers and applied it on the king so that he could go up in his mortal body. When Indra came to know, he was extremely angry and pushed the king down with his own powers, and this made the sage angry. But he calmed down quickly when Indra explained the situation to him. Thus, the king remained the upside down position because he can't go to the heaven in his mortal body, nor can he come. So the sage created a heaven between Devlok and Patalok. Thus it is known as Trilok. Now like this there are many more interesting stories. So I would like to tell you that you might read this story because it would brighten up your future. Now let me show you some of the volumes. This is the most read by small children and also 5th, 6th, 7th grade. These are the Gopi Diaries, which shows the love for animals and how the people should understand their language. This is the Sudha Murthy, which is my favorite book. The Man from the Egg, because it is based on the charioteer of the sun god Arun. Now this is another story, The Serpent's Revenge. This all the titles of books are also present as a story in the books. Now I would like to inspire you that you also read the stories because there are many turns that the world does not know. I am happy here reading in this library, but you also must be happy because it will soon brighten up your future with many thoughts and ideas for pursuing your own happy field. Now let me tell you one more thing, that from 23rd there are many more activities in this library, which is Sayaji Library in Navsari. So you can create your own things and your background and what you like. But we can read stories whenever we want. It is always open for you. Thank you.